you say about the game?
I don't have to say much, but I just want to say that everybody worked very hard. But this is football. Sometimes you get what you want, and sometimes you don't get.
You can open the floor now. Khalid, hi, Thiman from the Hindustan Times. Sorry about the result. You guys really tried very hard, but where do you go from here? Does this give you an opportunity to try out new players? What do you do in the remaining matches with India being out of the race for the Asian Cup?
Yes, I have to think about it, but now I don't have to say much, but feeling very sad that we are out, and I don't want to blame anybody. It is my mistake. I have done many things, but I try to rectify our mistake.
Hello, coach. So I wanted to know that basically in first 25 minutes, India had a lot of composure on the ball and we played better football in terms of attacking play. But after that, we have seen that Singapore did better and they had the ball and they were more better than us on the ball. So what went right, what went wrong after that, and what went right for Singapore, and what we can do about it?
If I want to say one thing, that if you see, I think lack of concentration. After scoring early goal in 25 minutes, then we conceded in last and the first half. So I think it is a lack of concentration, you can say.
Khalid, again, lack of concentration. Yes, you mentioned that, but would you also say that the inability to take your chances? India got some 11 or 12 corner kicks and could not really make anyone count. Okay, there was a goal line save, but there were moments in the first 25 minutes when India could have actually killed the game. So would you say that apart from lack of concentration, it's also the efficiency in taking your chances that also cost India?
Yes, as you said, it is correct, because last game also we didn't get the corner kick. This time we got more. So I think first goal was okay. We needed a second goal to settle, but it's happened sometime in football.
Coach, Ujjwal here from First Post. I saw that you were in the dugout for a long time after the game was over, and you had a discussion with Mahesh Bhai as well for a long time. I just want to know, what was your post-mortem after the game? Initial first thought, what did you discuss, where things went wrong? Like, what more could you have asked for? And did you also discuss little long term or just game?
No, I was just discussing about the football, nothing else.
And what did you discuss, if you can? Just say what were your first feelings?
I just was discussing with him about the 2 goals, how it happened.
So you see those both goals could have been avoided easily?
Yes, definitely. As I said, because of concentration, lack of concentration.
Hello, coach. I wanted to know that the Brandon Fernandes is a local guy and his substitution, I want to know about it, your thoughts about it. So I feel that he came very late in the game and the midfield creative was needed and the better deliveries and free kick. I thought that he should have done better in that. So
Brandon, yes, I can say, because he didn't play since 4 months, he didn't play. I thought that maybe I will use him just for 20 minutes, not to use him early. This is the one point, that is why I didn't use him.
Okay.
Coach, do you think you gave Chetty too much of time in the field?
No, Chhatri is a good player, no doubt about him. Because if you see his performance also, he worked very hard. And I called him because his performance, because of his performance. Last year performance was good. And he is one of the best striker we have.
We'll take 2 more questions.
Coach, one thing. Do you think because there is lack of league in the ISL that it is hampered your preparations for this issue?
Yes, before this preparation also, we tried to call player for early, but we didn't get the player, so there was many problems, we solved it. So this, you can say, yes, lack of less matches.
One last question, please.
Coach Anirudh from ESPN. Coach, yesterday you had promised that you would start in an attacking mode, and you did just that. the first half was really good football. Did you enjoy seeing it? A, and B, does the result mean that you'll become a little more conservative later on, or can we see this kind of football more often?
Yes, depending on situation. If you play home ground, we have to attack, and when you go away. But for me, I like defending more. See, if you can say today attacking, we have lost. For me, result is a matter.
Hi, Coach.
Bola, sir.
Hi, Coach. Ashan Prasad from Sports Star. With this defeat now, what do you now look forward to in the next two matches? Would you be seeing more new faces? What would you be looking to implement?
Yes, we'll think about who's fit to play, who's willing to play. We'll have to choose.
Coach, I know it's a little early, but would this be the time that you take a call on whether Chhetri should continue or whether Chhetri should, it's his choice to retire, but it's your choice to want to continue with him now that the Asian Cup qualification is over. Is this the time to look beyond him finally? Would you have a conversation with him about this?
Yes, we'll think about it later. This is not right time to speak.
Coach, this is Rohit from UNI. My observation, objective opinion is that we were the better side today. And attitude-wise and the way we controlled the game in midfield, it was a sea change from the last game. So the silver lining, would you say attitude changes and better midfield play? Would you say we were much better from last game on compared to last game?
Yes, much better. You have seen, but as I said, the lack of concentration. This is the main reason.
Yeah, thank you guys. That will be it.